Dr. Ivy Pang Chinese Medicine and Acupuncture Clinic has been serving Richmond and area for more than 20 years. At Dr. Ivy Pang Chinese Medicine and Acupuncture Clinic, we specialize in treating migraines, sinusitis, hay fever, sleeping problems, back pain, frozen shoulder, tennis elbow, and weight problems. We offer acupuncture and Chinese herbal treatments for pain and rejuvenation, as well as other wellness programs. Dr. Ivy Pang can speak fluent English, Mandarin, and Cantonese. Dr. Ivy Pang is the key to better health. The clinic is conveniently located in Richmond with ample parking available. Call today to start your tune-up program for better health.